Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So guys, for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved these beautiful long passion braids using my Shake and Go Pre-Fluffed hair and my Shake and Go Freetress water wave hair. So I am so happy with the way that this hairstyle turned out, you guys. Let me stand up just so you guys can get a feel for about how long these are. They are about, ooh, what is this, waist length? And this style was super easy to do, you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so first you're going to need some type of leave-in conditioner for your hair. I will be using 2 of Uncle Funky's sprays to keep my hair hydrated and to have some type of leave-in to prep my hair for this hairstyle. So I will also be using Let's Jam, and I'll also be using Ampro Styles Honey Beeswax. And this is what I'll be using to just secure my hair into the passion braids. So these passion braids will be rubber band and crochet method. So you are going to need a crochet needle and some black rubber bands. So for this hairstyle, I will be using 2 different types of hair. First, I will be using Shake and Go's Freetress braid, water wave 22 inches in the color 1B. So the second type of hair I'm using is Shake and Go's 3X Pre-Fluffed Poppin Twist Hair in 20 inches. Okay, and both of these are crochet and latch hook. So let's take this out of the package and see what the hair feels like. So the Freetress braid hair is super silky. It's super easy to separate so that it's really easy to complete your styles and you won't have to spend too much time separating all the hair in the package. This is really going to help get the passion braid look. Alright, so let's get into this Freetress braid hair. Okay, so the Freetress braid hair is really bouncy, so it gives you that bounce back effect that passion braids and passion twists have. This also makes really good hair to use with butterfly locks because it is so bouncy and it is a little bit more coarse. So this is going to be perfect. This is going to give us the thickness that we need our passion braids to have. This hair is also pre-fluffed, pre-stretched, and pre-separated just to make the process so much easier. So this will be good for twists, locks, and all your other crochet hairstyles. Alright, so I have been deep conditioning just to prep my hair for this style. So I'm going to jump in the shower, rinse it out, and we will get into our passion braids. Alright, so first I'm going to part my hair into sections and then we will get into braiding. Alright, so I went ahead and got started. I just wanted to get my footing so that I knew how big I really wanted these parts, okay? So I went ahead and did 2 rows. Alright guys, so I did the first row of passion braids and they look so good. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these passion braids, okay? And you guys can see that on the end I am rubber banding with the little tendrils on the end, okay? Alright, so I want to show you guys in detail what I am doing for each section and how I am braiding this hair, okay? So first I take 2 pieces of my pre-fluffed, pre-stretched, and pre-separated hair. So first I'll take 1 piece and I'll take my crochet needle and I'll do it across. So I'll show you, I'll go across. Alright, and then I'll just feed one side through. Okay, so we're going to take our second piece and a piece of our water wave hair and we are going to feed that through together. Okay, so it'll be like this. And so when we put in this piece, you want to take the crochet needle and go up. So before we went across and we fed it through, but this piece we're going to go up and down, okay? And we're going to pull it through. And then just pull one end of each piece through, okay? Alright, so once you've got all the hair through, this is my piece on the side, and this is my hair that's up and down. And then I take the piece that's up and down, it should fold over, right? And then you just braid. So you should have 3 pieces of hair. Okay, so I'll show this to you a few times so you guys can get it. And then basically all you do is just braid down regularly. And you will be feeding in just one piece of hair. I know feeding in hair is not my strong suit either, but I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is. And because these passion braids are a little bit more messy, you can easily finesse one piece of feed-in hair. So I'll be feeding in one piece of the water wave hair. So with these, you really don't have to braid tight. You can braid tight or you can braid loose. It's really up to you. So I'm just kind of doing a little in between. I'm not really braiding too tight, but I am making sure that the braid does look uniform and put together. Alright, so when you get to about here, you're going to want to feed in your water wave hair. So basically you put a piece here, and then you just let the other piece hang and you braid regularly. And then you add this in. So once you go under, you add it to this piece and continue to braid. Alright, so once you get down to the end, you want to just take your rubber band and tie it off. And make sure it's even with your other passion braids. So if there's any of the pre-fluffed braid hair left over, you're going to want to cut that off. And then you can make your water wave hair as long or as short as you want. Alright, and there's another braid. Super, super easy. So I'll do this a few more times just so you guys can see my technique. Alright, so you guys see I have my across pieces and I have my up and down. So I'm going to take my real hair, split it between the across pieces. Then I'm going to take the up and down piece, fold it down. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I can start braiding. So it's really simple, really easy to do. Alright, so now it's time to add in another piece of our water wave hair, okay? So one thing that I'm doing that I really like is I'm making the roots a bit neater, and then as I work my way down the braid, I'm making it a little bit more distressed, a little bit more messy. So I'm really loosely braiding more towards the end. Alright, so I have 2 braids left, and so far I have used 3 packs of the Pre-Fluffed hair. So 3 packs of the Shake and Go Pre-Fluffed hair. This is the 3rd pack, so I've only used one piece in the 3rd pack, okay? So I didn't use the entire 3rd pack, and this is the rest of it. So this would have been here, okay? For the water wave hair, I am on to my 4th pack and with these 2 braids, okay? So this is my 4th pack, but I won't be using all of it because I only have 2 braids left. So alright, so I have finished. I'm really pleased with the way that this turned out. All I have left to do is to dip these in hot water to set them, and my style will be done, okay? This hairstyle really should take you a day. Like if you start in the morning and just work all the way till night, you should be finished. This was not a hard style to do. These are easier to do than butterfly locks, which was my last feed in protective style that I did. I think that the Shake and Go hair did an amazing job of blending with my real hair. Like these braids, like my dad called me, he was like, your hair is that long. Well, you know, that's how men usually are. But you know, it blends so well with my natural hair. You can't see any separation between my hair and the braiding hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dip these in hot water, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. Alright guys, so here is my final look. I am so happy, you guys. This looks so cute. I feel like I'm like vacation ready, okay? Like what? So I dipped it in the hot water and it just kind of smoothed everything out, and I'm just so happy with the way that this hairstyle turned out. So I'm doing my best to show y'all the whole picture. So cute. Absolutely love it. This Shake and Go hair did amazing. Also, it's super soft. I love the water wave. It's so super silky. Honestly, this style is so perfect for summer and vacations. I am literally obsessed, you guys. I can't stop looking at myself. So you guys, definitely if you are thinking of doing passion braids, definitely try the Shake and Go hair. Comment your thoughts below on this style. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye guys.